Happy Navratri and New Moon. So, usually what happens around the new moon, before the new moon time, is that a lot of emotions start coming up, which may be old emotions, which may be old patterns, which are coming up for clearing, and doesn't always happen, but in most cases, when you are in tune with the universe, when you are in synchronity with the universe, a lot of emotions start coming up around the time just before the new moon. And it is basically a time of letting go of all those patterns, which is why they are showing up. And after the new moon, say around the second, third day, I think today is the second day, around the second, third day is a time where you create new intentions. You start creating the life that you want instead of just following back in the same pattern. So what is happening recently, and I've noticed with a lot of people, is that a lot of old patterns are coming up, old fears, anger, certain kind of self pity, certain emotions which you've connected with yourself in the past, they have been coming up for a lot of people. And that just means that you are in sync with the universe, so it's a good thing. And so it is time to just observe them and let them go. So today I'll be doing a meditation which is basically releasing old patterns, old conditionings, and creating space for more light and for creating the kind of life that we want. Because at the end of the day, only when we clear our system of our old patterns and conditionings can we bring something new. Otherwise, we are just rerunning the same patterns and conditioning. And this is like a very strong, like you can call it a theme or a message that has been coming for today's meditation for the last 2 3 days. And so I decided that we'll do that today. So just be receptive to the healing, be receptive to the energies coming in, as I will also be just doing a group healing for everybody who's joined. Yeah, Priya, there's a lot of old emotions. So just acknowledge them. Don't go back into the same pattern. You can't hear me? So what I'm saying is good. Yeah. So today, basically, like we just have to acknowledge them, and it's very important to even talk to our emotions, to say, okay, fine, what are you trying to show me? Why are you here? Are you here for clearing? Don't go back into feeling self pity for yourself, or feeling the same anger or fear, or those kind of, don't go back into the rut of that emotion. If it's coming up, if it's showing up in your life, like anything else, it has consciousness, and that is how these emotions create the problems and blockages in our life, because they have consciousness. So you can also talk to them. You can also talk to them as if they are another person and say, okay, fine, you're showing me something. I've understood why you are here in my life. One second. Raisa, you also can't hear me? Ruma, you can hear me? Okay. Priya, maybe just join the Facebook group, because maybe there's something with the Instagram. Hi Abhishek, hi Aman. Can you all hear? Okay, great. Okay. Yeah. So I was just saying that these emotions, you have to treat them like they are a person in your life, and you just, hi Rachita. So you have to treat them like that, and you have to just talk to them like, okay, fine, this is why you're in my life. And when you ask them that why are you here, what is it that you're trying to show me, you may get an answer. You may not get an answer immediately, because it's an energy you have not interacted with in the past, but you can get an answer maybe intuitively, maybe when you're doing something which is completely different, where you're not utilizing your mind so much in other things. So you could be cooking, you could be bathing, you could be doing something which doesn't require too much of your mental energy, and you'll get an answer maybe at that point of time, or you may get an answer immediately. It all depends on how connected you are to your higher self and the kind of energies that are coming into the planet these days. You can really like tune in and clear whatever you want. There are a lot of spirit helpers around. There are a lot of high vibrational energies around. So it depends on you how much you want to clear and what all you want to clear. So whatever is coming up, it's easier to clear what is already coming up and just let that go. So yeah, we will be doing that. So like I was saying earlier, just be receptive to the healing, be receptive to the energies coming in, and it's not always that you have to do it by a meditation and all. If meditation is boring for you, you can even listen to some songs or dance or move the way your body is wanting you to move, not in a very choreographed way, but just allow your body to move. Just dance, sing. There's some songs. There's one song by Alicia Bonnet which says "I release." It's a nice song. If you want, I can play it for you all at the end of the meditation. It's really a nice song to release whatever emotions you're feeling, whatever sadness, suffering, everything. So it's got a very good beat to it. You can even, sing along with the Beatles' "Let It Be." That is also a very nice song to kind of tell your body, tell your cells that okay, fine, I'm going to let go, I'm ready to let go. So it doesn't have to be boring. It can be the way you want to, release from your system. Just make an intention that now you are going to release. In meditation, what happens is it's all intentional. You are in tune with your body, and you are doing it like consciously. Singing and dancing can also be like that. So it's all up to you the way you want to do it. So let's start with the meditation. I'll be playing Om chants in the background, and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Be receptive to the healing energies coming from the Creator. To the Divine Supreme Being, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to all the Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, to all the saints, to my higher soul, I humbly invoke for divine guidance, health, healing and blessings. I ask for divine mercy and protection. I allow my body, my mind, my soul to release all that is not beneficial to me. Take a deep breath. Be aware of your entire body. Be aware of your toes, your feet, your legs, your calves, knees, your thighs, your hips. Just be aware of your entire body. Be aware of the spine. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Be aware of your abdomen. Your heart, your jaw, your neck, shoulders, your head, your eyes, your face. Now visualize a brilliant white light coming down from source, coming through your physical body. Every cell is flooded with this brilliant white light. You can imagine it as a waterfall of light or a pillow of light around you. Inhale, exhale. You are one with this divine light. You are a child of the Divine Mother, Divine Father. You are a being of divine light, divine love, and divine power. Be aware of a few inches above your head. And just say thank you for this connection. Thank you for this brilliant light going through me, curing all that I do not need. Be aware of your body. Be aware of every part of your body. I am releasing all the pain, the stress, the insecurities which are within me now, so I can fully accept the divine blessings in my life. Be aware of your hands, your feet. If you can sense the energy flowing through, any release that will happen may happen through your hands and feet, or it can happen from your body as well. I ask that all inappropriate behavior, thoughts, feelings that keep me in this pattern of suffering, of illness, of anxiety and fear be released completely, deeply and thoroughly from every cell in my body. Inhale, exhale, be aware. I release all low self-esteem, pride, jealousy, anger that I may have stored consciously or subconsciously in any part of my body, mind and soul. I release anything that defines who I should be culturally, my elders, my friends, and the society in general. Any conditioning that has been put on me, consciously or subconsciously, I ask that we release right now. I release all the verbiage that keeps me from moving forward in my life. Be aware of your throat chakra. Be aware of your ajna. And just feel a release happening from these areas in your body. You can also be aware of your solar plexus, which is just below the diaphragm. If at any point you feel that there is stiffness or pain coming out from the body or any kind of feeling in the physical body, just breathe into that part lovingly and allow it to release. I release all the things that do not work for me anymore, including family obligations, friendships, relationships which are toxic, all emotions which are toxic, which are creating blockages and negative patterns in my mind. I release and let go. I love every part of myself, my being, exactly the way I am. I have been made like this for a purpose, and I allow myself to be my true self so that I can find my purpose and fulfill my purpose. I release all information which does not rhyme in harmony with my being. I release all vows of suffering, self-sacrifice, or poverty consciousness that I may have made in any lifetime. Be aware of your body, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. See if you can be sensitive to your body so that you know where these emotions are held, which part of your body these emotions are held in. I release all energies of shame, guilt, self-criticism that make it hard to love and care for myself. Anything which has been projected onto me which is not for my highest good, I release and let go. Take back the power that you have given others. And forgive yourself for falling into the trap of illusion. Forgive yourself for allowing your soul to suffer or to choose patterns which are not good for you. If there are any relationships which you find are toxic or painful, just ask for forgiveness. Visualize the people in front of you and say, I release you from all this negative karma that I may have created with you. I forgive you on all levels for all the hurt and suffering that you have caused me. And I ask that you forgive me for all the pain and suffering that I may have caused you on all levels, in all lifetimes. Take a deep breath, focus on your heart, and release any energies of anger, of resentment, pain, and suffering. When we forgive, we clear a huge load of our own karma, negative karma. Just be aware of your body, be aware of your spine, and say, I allow any anger, resentment, and pain to be released right now from all lifetimes, on all levels. Be aware of the energy around your body. Forgive yourself for the times that you have judged yourself. And ask your spirit to give you back the power to love yourself completely, exactly the way you are. child the voice and the voice of my intuition to speak to me, and I learn to trust its wisdom. I love and accept myself for who I am and not what I accomplish externally or of others' opinions about me. I once again remind myself that it is not my responsibility to handle everything. I know I have the blessings of my guides and angels, and I can surrender my fears to them for healing. Learning through love and only through love, I bless my essence, my way of expressing. I respect and approve of myself, and from now on I will let my heart guide me. I allow myself to be vulnerable. I allow my ego to feel threatened by going deeper into my feelings so that I can heal my beautiful heart. I understand that my feelings are the voice of angels guiding me to a better and a fulfilled life. May I clear any resistance to joy, abundance, prosperity, so I can feel and know the love of the Creator that is flowing through me. Now just visualize what you want in life, the kind of life that you want. See yourself living the life that you want. See your family happy, joyful. See all your relationships filled with love and peace. See yourself as successful and prosperous, whichever way that may be for you. See every cell in your body healthy and filled with light. Take a few minutes to visualize and avoid micromanaging how things will work out. Just visualize what you want, let the how be to the Creator. Now smile at your heart, smile at your soul. Be aware of your body and the energy around your body. Take a deep breath, release, let go. Imagining the new you. When you get up from this meditation, imagine your life the way you want it to be. And remember that you can always come back into this space. To the Divine Supreme Being, Divine Father, Mother, to all the Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, to my higher self, to my guardian angels. Thank you for this healing. Thank you for the blessings of love, light and power. May the light of the and ecstasy of the Divine Feminine awaken your life May her sword of compassion free you from all obstacles. May you know the depth of her love, which is your own love. And may you realize the goddess living joyfully as your body, mind, and soul. So be it. Whenever you're ready, you can come out of the meditation. Thank you all for joining. And for those of you who want to listen to this song by Alicia Bonet, I'll just play it for you. It's a really nice song, and I just discovered it. I let go. I let the spirit from my life, and my heart is open wide. Yes, I'm only here for love. No more struggle, no more strife. In my faith, I see the light. It's pretty much what we did in the meditation. Yes, I'm only here for love. I release and I let go. I let the spirit run my life. Thanks, Priya, and my heart is open wide. Yes, I'm only here for love. No more struggle, no more strife. In my faith, I see the light. I am free in the spirit. Yes, I'm only here for love. Any song that you like. I just thought this resonated a lot with the kind of meditations that we do. And it's good to listen to because it changes your mental state. Whenever you listen to a nice uplifting song, it changes your mental state. So when you feel down, when you feel like there are too many heavy emotions coming out, just change your energy by listening to a song. That changes everything. It may seem like very minuscule, it's not going to take away the problem, but it will help you in handling the problem in a better way. Thank you all. Take care. Lots of love. Bye. Thank you for joining.